Hello students, in previous video of human respiratory system, we were discussed about the respiratory passage. Now we are going to discuss about the respiratory organ. A pair of lungs are the main respiratory organ of human respiratory system. The lungs are the principal organs of respiration. Each lung is covered by a double-layered membrane called pleura, or we can also say as pleural membrane. The pleura are filled with pleural fluid. The pleural fluid reduces friction on the lung surface. The lungs possess distinct lobes due to the presence of oblique grooves called fissures. The left lung is divided into two lobes called superior and inferior lobes, while the right lung is divided into three lobes. They are called as superior, middle and inferior lobes. If you see in this diagram, this is the structure of lung. This is the trachea. At the level of fifth thoracic vertebrae, trachea divide into right and left primary bronchus, entered into the respective side of the lung. Internally, lungs are made up of branching network of bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli. Network of bronchi includes primary, secondary and tertiary bronchi. Alveoli are the main sites where actually diffusion of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place between blood and atmospheric air. The lungs are situated in the thoracic chamber, which is formed dorsally by the vertebral column and ventrally by the sternum, laterally by the ribs, and on the lower side by the dome-shaped diaphragm. Alveoli are the structural and functional unit of lungs and perform gaseous exchange. If you see this diagram, this is the anatomy of alveoli with blood supply. Bronchioles open into alveoli duct. Alveoli duct is a tube-like structure which leads into an expanded passage that we called as atria, which opens into alveolar sac or air sacs. There are about 300 millions of alveoli in two lungs. The membrane of each alveoli is very thin and irregular and richly supplied with blood vessels. Due to the close contact of blood vessels with alveoli, the exchange of gases takes place easily. So, this is the alveoli. These are closely associated with blood capillaries. So, deoxygenated blood is carried by the pulmonary arteries. Gaseous exchange takes place at the site because capillaries cover the alveoli. So, oxygenated blood is carried by the pulmonary vein. So by this process, exchange of gases takes place. So this is all about respiratory organs of human respiratory system. Thank you.